I'm going to be doing is a butterfly. I'm going to be going first. And I'm going to be doing an LOL doll. And yeah.
Okay, put your hand up.
So, like, what are you doing around the eyes? Like,
What I'm doing around it. Right now, I am making the wings.
okay. And guys, this is my first time getting my makeup done. So Nysa, does it feel weird? Yeah. I wonder what it's gonna be like when it comes out live.
Because what two colors make purple? You know what two colors you can mix together to make purple?
Red and blue.
Yeah. So a red purple means that you put more red into it than blue. And a blue purple means you put more blue into the mix than purple. So I would say this is a red purple. And now I'm taking the black and I'm outlining it.
Woohoo! I know. Sometimes, like on my drawings, I outline.
Do you outline?
Yeah, cause my sister taught me. No, like the one that was in the Chubby Bunny video. Yeah. She like taught me like how to outline, and yeah, and like at first she's like, oh, if you want your picture to look beautiful, you can outline it
Well, that's correct.
like with a dark color.
Yeah. And your sister's absolutely right. If you outline things, it makes it look neater.
But my sister, like my sister who's getting her makeup done, she doesn't like to outline because it takes too long. Just so you know, I make like square people with twig arms and twig legs. I do dots for the eyes.
It's okay.
I do professional like drawing because my sister taught me, and I make them look like real people. Let me see. Ooh, pretty. So Carlina, when did you learn how to like do professional makeup?
When did I learn how to do professional makeup?
Yes.
In 4 years ago. 4 years ago, I went to makeup school and learned.
Ooh, there's a makeup school?
Yeah.
I wanted to go to makeup school.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Sometimes in my school we do art, but in shapes. And I only do like when it's time for playtime, like when the boxes are out and you play with them. I only do my artist book.
And we're gonna top it up with some glitter.
Ooh. So Kylie, which glitter are you gonna put on her? Gold glitter or silver?
Well, this glitter is a opal glitter. And opal means it is kind of clear.
Ooh, I like clear glitter.
It's kind of clear, kind of white.
Do you do little kids and grown-ups makeup? And like teenagers?
Mm-hmm. I'm using black flash color.
You kind of look like a panda right now.
Mm-hmm. She's gonna look like a panda till I'm finished. Because, you know, the LOL dolls have the big black parts for their eyes. That's what I'm doing. So what are you guys gonna do for Halloween?
Just go to school.
Just go to school?
Yeah. I don't think we should celebrate it because, like, I'm kind of a little bit scared. Because like, some people, like, set up spooky things and...
Oh, that's
and
creepy.
And they have like something at the bottom of the door that you don't know what it is, so you don't touch it, and it goes like boom.
Oh, that's scary.
I go like, open the door.
And that's creepy.
And some little kids do that.
What is your favorite Halloween costume?
My favorite was Rapunzel.
My favorite costume is. What is my favorite? My favorite costume is.
I think it was Elsa.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Elsa and Cinderella.
So this is the look of my LOL doll.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and this
Subscribe.
Yeah, and this is our new look. Make sure to comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. So, tell it which look you like the best. Yeah. Bye!
Because if you keep on doing it and doing it and doing it, you'll get better and better.
That is very true. Very wise words. What does it feel like?
Feels like a little bit of a dry brush going around.
Feels like nice.
A soft rag.
A soft rag.
But it's good.
How's it going?
It smells good. Let me see your eyelashes. Oh, they're not blue. Ooh. Do you do this often?
Make people into LOL dolls? No, this is not an everyday thing.
No, like
You're good at painting nails?
now she's talking to you. Oh yeah. You look so cute.
Right?
Yeah. Those wings are popping.
They're going to be even more poppin'.
I never put like really makeup on, and because like you're beautiful the way you are.
Oh, okay, that's why you don't need makeup. Gotcha.
I didn't like put any mascara on though, because like
I'm just laughing because you're smiling with your a little. You're like.
Where's my cell phone?
I tried to. I don't like when people do that because at first she's like, I think I'm gonna look like Queen Bee.
Like a dry brush?
No, like a little bit of a soft, dry hairbrush
Mm-hmm.
going around. Like,
bye. Why are you going bye?